Hello everyone, I'm Sean,
I'm Jill.
and this is 151 Garage. We are currently kind of doing a side project for another YouTube channel we wanted to start. It's called R3, Realistic Renovations and Refinishing. I can say it. I always mess up on that for some reason. We're gonna redo our garage right now, and currently we have everything out minus the cabinets, the truck, and surfboards and stuff like that. It's just minor stuff that we gotta move. So to give you kind of an idea of what our garage looks like on a normal basis, the lighting especially. So all we have right now is the lights right there, and when you go forward, it's really hard to see. So it's real dark in the front. Obviously I can't work on anything in the front. It's all done. If I open up the garage door, it's real bright in here, but you also get a lot of heat wave coming in and stuff like that. We do plan on doing a AC unit in here. I've heard a lot of good things. It's real easy to put together. We'll show everything about it. We are gonna rip down all the walls, all the ceiling, insulate everything, get some better lighting in here, a lot better lighting in here. In fact, there's some of it right there, 2 boxes of it. And we're gonna end up putting cabinets in here for more storage. We're gonna take these out, put them right back, but we're gonna put better lighting in it. We're gonna have cabinets go all the way over to the AC units, have tons of storage in here. We plan on getting a toolbox because right now my tools are spread out over 3 different locations. Hope you enjoy it. We'll put it on time lapse to get some of the stuff done. We'll stop every once in a while and tell you what we're doing and why we're doing it. Until then, hit the time lapse. Okay, no mic, so hopefully it picks it up. So we got the cabinets out, we have our surfboards out, we have the fishing poles out. So on with the basically ripping all the wallboard down, which we're not gonna do today, but we'll go ahead and let you know what we're doing next time. See you then. Hello everyone. Figured I'd take a break. This is later that day. We are gonna basically rip out the rest of the stuff, including the ceiling, out tomorrow. The reason I stopped the video or the time lapse is because I wanted to give you guys some information. So the reason we wanted to do this is to make it better for us to work in. And the reason we wanted to work on cars in the garage and make it nice for us is because, was it 13 months ago, Jill was diagnosed with breast cancer. And during the hardest time, which was shortly after her surgery, which is 6 months ago, she wanted to do YouTube. That was her dream or wish during that time. She thought it was good. She thought it was fun. She messed around with it a little bit. She absolutely loved it. And one of the things she really enjoys is working on cars. And she wanted to share it with everybody, basically get better at it, let you guys know, that no matter what, you can do whatever you put your mind to. That's one thing that she wanted to do, and I told her I would basically stand behind her and support her in whatever she wanted to do. And that's it. So I did guarantee her, I did promise her that when she hit 1,000 subscribers on her other channel, which is 151 Garage, I'll link it in the description below, that I would buy her any car. And if you guys want to see the video, I'll link that video in below, describing exactly what happened, the whole process of what it was, and the promise I made to her, and everything is all on YouTube. Please, if you like this video, and if you like the other videos, please like, subscribe, share with everybody else, hit the notification bell, because all the support, I couldn't tell you how much she means to me and how much that she would love to have everybody's support. And same with me. I would love to have you guys support for her. She really had a rough year. She is now getting better, and I'm trying to make as awesome as it looks right now. This will look a lot better, I promise you. And it'll definitely be a dream garage for me and her, so we can work on projects like this. Now, this is Susan. It's my 1951 Ford Rat Rod. Obviously, it's covered with a bunch of stuff right now, but this is one of the things we'll be working on. And the other things she'll be working on, you'll have to wait and see. But I'll make sure that y'all know what they are. When she hits 1,000 subscribers, we will go look at all the cars. We'll videotape everything. And I hope it's soon, because she's ready to get one now. Okay. Thank you guys for listening, and back to the time lapse. So, hello everyone. After the demo, we figured we'd find some stuff wrong. Just minor things, nothing major. Some of the things we found wrong that we will fix, or has been fixed already, is the dryer vent doesn't seem to be connected all that well, because wasn't connected all that well, because there's a bunch of lint stuck there. We'll vacuum all that stuff up. And you can see it goes all the way up the wall. So this is our dryer, where it goes through the wall right here. And again, some point in time it was either clogged or not connected right through previous owner. And there you go. Two sections of the wall that have nothing but dryer lint.
Free installation.
Yeah, free installation. I don't think I'd want that kind. That's not good. So, not that you can see it. We have insulation that we need to fix. It kind of fell down through either people getting up there, probably the guys who do all the wiring and stuff. Back up a little bit. Watch out for those. All the wiring, all the cable guys getting up there, knocking the stuff down. So we'll fix all that before we put it up. We will be putting lights up today. It won't be on this video, it'll be on the next. Another thing we got to do is, whoever wired this in must have wired it in after the wallboard was up, because this was run on the outside or on the inside, but when it went over to the other side, it was run through a hole, back out, and back through a hole into the wall for the light on the far side of the house. So this is so long, it's actually caught in there. It catches in there. So again, this should have been tacked up against the 2x4 or the framing, but yeah, they made it so long it actually hangs down in the way of this. So
Not mention when you close that door manually,
it
it
gets
does
stuck
get
on
caught.
the inside. Well, now with the wallboard out, it's hanging down so far. We'll fix it. We'll adjust it. We are going to put a light in the center for the outside video motion sensing light. Like I said, just minor stuff wrong.
We have.
Yeah, and there's a split right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can open the door.
There we go.
So there is a split in the wood right here. We'll fix that. We'll sandwich it between two pieces of 2x4. That way it's anchored. It's not going to go anywhere. Probably the full length from the center all the way to the other side, just to make sure it's good. Yeah. Oh. We do have to get rid of all the nails.
Bad it is.
Yeah.
Pretty bad, but we'll fix it.
Yeah. So again, not a whole lot wrong. It could have been much worse. I'm glad it isn't. It's a fairly new house,
We got lucky.
but yeah, everything's replaceable. Everything's fixable. Nothing major. Just minor stuff we need to basically dress up. So.
Yeah, you're in the video.
But other than that, it is what it is. We'll fix it. We'll make it better before we actually put everything back together. So we'll make it definitely a nice place in here. Insulate everything, definitely. So thank you. Just wait for the next video. And I'll see you then. We'll see you then.